This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to sell your phone online. First, always back up all your important data, like photos and contacts, to ensure nothing is lost. Then, perform a complete factory reset, which is crucial for erasing personal information and protecting your privacy. A clean phone also makes a much better first impression, so wipe down the screen and case for a professional presentation. These initial steps are vital for a smooth and secure transaction. After preparing your phone, it is time to set the right price and create an appealing listing. Begin by researching similar models on popular sites. This helps you understand its current value, usually within a $50 range. Next, take 8 to 10 clear, well-lit photos showing the phone from every angle, including any minor imperfections. Finally, craft a detailed description that covers condition, features, and what comes with it, offering complete transparency to potential buyers. Now, let us explore where to sell your phone and how to stay safe during the process. Popular online marketplaces offer a broad audience, but also consider local options if you prefer in-person exchanges. For local sales, always meet in a public place, perhaps a police station lobby or a busy coffee shop, and during daylight hours. Never share personal details beyond what is absolutely necessary, and only accept secure payment methods. The final steps involve securely shipping your phone and completing the transaction. Package the device with ample protection, using bubble wrap and a robust box to withstand typical shipping stresses. Always choose a shipping service with tracking and insurance. This protects both you and the buyer from unforeseen issues, especially for an item valued over $100. Verify that the payment is fully cleared and secure before sending your phone off.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.